is extensor carpi radialis?
How about this one then?
This one.
Sir?
No, it's extensor. If that contracts, what happens to the hand?
Extensor digitorum?
But there's a third term for it.
Longus.
Yeah, extensor digitorum superficialis.
Superficial. This
Yeah.
one is extensor digitorum superficialis.
And then this one is a supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
So this
That's
is
what it all starts to
extensor
sound like.
carpi radialis. So this is adductor pollicis longus,
Yes,
extensor pollicis brevis.
yes.
Oh, and extensor digitorum superficialis, extensor carpi ulnaris.
Yes.
And
How about this white?
what is this thing?
How about this?
Oh, this one is extensor retinaculum,
Yes.
and
So,
That's
there is
turn.
biceps.
There are the two steps.
Okay, biceps,
Bicep,
biceps,
and then
a tricep.
triceps.
triceps,
Yeah. Is there
And-
triceps on the other side too?
and then here is it will be flexor carpi radialis,
Radialis.
and no, it is not radialis.
Push it down.
Ulnaris,
What's this one?
right? It is flexor carpi ulnaris.
But what about this one?
This is flexor digitorum
There's the palmaris.
longus.
This is the palmaris longus.
Oh, this one is a
Yeah,
palmaris
it's the only one that goes over the top of the retinaculum.
Oh, yeah, this is then palmaris longus.
Yeah.
So
next
just
one
beneath
over. Yep.
just
Like
beneath
the
it is the flexor digitorum
Yeah.
longus. And what is this one is flexor
Digitorium.
flexor carpi radialis.
Radialis.
Radialis. And what is this one then?
Follow it all the way out. Pronator teres?
Pronator teres.
Or is that underneath?
I thought it was
I think it's underneath. Right?
It is.
along with the supinator.
So what is this one? Supine?
Follow it out. See what it does if it contracts.
Brachioradialis.
What is this one then?
No, brachioradialis is over here by the thumb.
This is brachioradialis. So what is this
That's
muscle
the
then?
brachialis then.
Brachialis?
No, brachialis is underneath. This is brachialis right here. Underneath the
Brachialis.
biceps brachii. So what's this one?
Anybody?
Look on 305 or 6.
Anconius?
I think that's it.
Anconius?
No,
That's on the
Anconius is inside,
no,
right?
Anconius is outside.
Where is
So
Anconius?
here's the brachioradialis right here.
Mhm.
There's the Anconius. It's perpendicular to it.
So brachioradialis, Anconius. Anconius,
You
Anconius.
still gotta identify the other one.
Yeah, that one. We still.
Anconius? Okay.
Yeah, that's
this one.
Anconius.
So this is
this
like
one.
Anconius is
biceps
Tennis elbow damage.
with
305.
triceps.
I think so. Oh no, that's the hand. So go back a couple pages.
This is
brachioradialis?
no.
There you go. It should be on that page.
This is brachialis or something
It's
else.
superficial.
Pronator teres? Is it pronator
Yeah.
teres?
Yeah.
Pronator teres?
This is pronator.
Supinator. If this contracts, it goes this way.
Supinator. So it's a supinator.
So yeah, but this is going to supine. This is going to prone. If this contracts, does it go to prone? Is it attached to the radius and turn the radius this way?
Pronator teres.
Pronator teres.
Okay, so
So,
pronator
that's
teres, flexor carpi radialis, palmaris longus,
Palmaris, yeah.
flexor digitorum longus, and this one is flexor carpi
Ulnaris.
ulnaris.
Yep.
Okay.
What's the opposite of this pronator teres?
Supinator?
Yeah, but it's underneath.
Supinator is underneath. Okay, it's not showing. And this one you said like it is brachialis, Musa?
Brachialis, yeah. So
Brachialis.
you have this biceps brachii. Underneath it is a brachialis.
So this is biceps, triceps, and brachialis.
So are these two synergistic or antagonistic?
Synergistic.
Synergistic? How about these two?
Antagonistic.
Antagonistic? Which one of the heads, you can see it right there, which one of the heads of the biceps brachii is the long head?
Which one is the long head? Long head is usually outside. So this one?
So this is lateral or dorsal. Is this? This is lateral and this is medial. Is the medial head?
Is a short head. Medial one is short head.
Sure.
Yeah, medial one is short head.
Okay, good.
Look, and the long head is
Yeah, so
outside.
the middle one is short.
Diagram. Yeah, keep going.
This
From
one?
the diagram, all four of those: the opponents, the flexor, the abductor, and the adductor. Then, yeah, on that same
This
page.
page?
Yep. So on the bottom, you see the retractor pulling that back so you can see the opponents. There's the flexor, the abductor, the adductor, the opponents, and that's four. That's all of them. Then in addition to that, you have two on top. Besides the lumbricals, underneath there are the interosseous muscles at the dorsum, just underneath the surface. But there are also those two. You see the tendons right there?
Which one?
These tendons right here. These are the, here's the brevis and here's the longest of tendons of extensor pollicis. Extensor pollicis. So what's this? Is this abduction or is this abduction? Mine doesn't go
This
very
one
far.
is abduction.
Yeah, so that's abduction. So going back, this is extensor. So does it lift the thumb up like this? And remember we talked about the snuff box?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Which one's it?
This
Without
one?
looking, what's internal? The longus or the brevis?
Longest.
Here's the brevis.
Yeah,
Longus
longus.
is internal. I mean, is medial.
Internal.
Are these two muscles, or the tendons are of these two muscles, intrinsic to the hand or extrinsic to the hand?
Intrinsic to the hand.
Well, intrinsic means that the muscle is in the hand. So these four that
Oh,
we just
muscle.
added,
No, it
here,
is
those are in the
extrinsic.
hand. So that's intrinsic, but these are,
Extrinsic.
Extrinsic.
to
yeah,
the
they're
They
down here in
lead.
the arm. That's right.
So like for this model, what is these things then? Then this one is adductor pollicis brevis,
Yeah.
and this one is flexor. Where is then flexor pollicis brevis? If the whole thingy adductor pollicis
Adductor
brevis.
pollicis.
Is it?
Not adductor.
Adductor pollicis.
Abductor?
Adductor.
So Dr. D, we are not finding the
That's
adductor
under the-
pollicis longus that is
Now
on
here's
our
the
list.
adductor back here. If this contracts, it pulls the thumb open.
So if it is adductor pollicis brevis, which one is adductor pollicis longus?
That's underneath. So
He
here's this one.
like brevis is the outside one,
That's right. That's
and
it.
the inside will be adductor pollicis longus.
Yep.
Okay, so this one.
This one is inside. And the longest, does it show right there?
No, it just shows, but it's inside.
Yeah. You have to peel back. That's this muscle.
So what is flexor pollicis brevis in this model?
Like here. Here's the flexor this way. Pollicis brevis.
Flexor. So
Not this one.
will
but
be
this one.
flexor
Yeah, that's
pollicis
flexor.
brevis.
Because the thumb is going this
I
way.
know.
Keep in mind, this is the right hand. This is the left. This is the right hand. This is the left hand.
Yeah, and this one on the opposite side will be which one?
goes like
Opponents
this.
digiti minimi.
Not
This
opponents.
one is opponents digiti minimi.
Abductor digiti minimi.
No, this is opponents digiti minimi. Abductor digiti minimi is this one,
Right.
outside one.
Right.
But I'm telling about the internal one. So internal one is opponents digiti minimi.
Yeah, but you don't need to know that one.
Oh,
We've done all
okay.
the
So
ones you need to know.
abductor digiti minimi. This one is the flexor retinaculum, right?
Yep.
And there should be
What's
like
this where your finger is?
palmaris longus.
Yep. So it's just taken off the top right here.
Okay, so these are lumbricals.
Those are lumbricals.
Between the middle and ring
Yep. So
finger.
what are these things on top? Like right there.
Which
What are
one?
the? Here are the lumbricals in between the metacarpals. What are the muscles on the dorsum?
The dorsal is-
Interosseous.
Which one?
Yeah.
Dr. D?
These. Those are dorsal
Oh,
interosseous.
Okay, dorsal.
This is the first and
interosseous.
second interosseous.
Well,
I remember this all too well. My cat got in a yelling match with a raccoon.